Welcome to Genie Baji. Welcome back. In this episode, let's listen to a simple conversation about daily routine. Try to follow along and speak with us. Scene: two friends talking during a break. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6:30, but I get up at 7. You? Same here. Then I take a shower and have breakfast. Nice. I just grab a quick coffee, then I go to work by train. I go to school by bike. I start at 8 and finish at 3. I finish work around 5. Then I exercise at the gym. Cool. I do yoga in the evening. After that, I have dinner and go to bed by 10. Sound like a healthy routine. Well done. You have just practiced a simple English conversation. Practice this dialogue with a friend or say both parts by yourself to build confidence. Talk about your daily routine. What time do you wake up? When do you go to bed? Practice speaking aloud. You can do it. Great job. You have just completed your daily routine in English. See you next time for another fun episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.